can put and then we can put the other ones in.
All right, that looks like it's done. It's ready to be mixed.
Mommy, and then we can use the other ones.
Okay. Wow.
Look, comfortable clouds. Now we have to use the other.
We have to mix this one. Come on, keep mixing it. You guys, we're gonna speed this process up so you can see the finish line, and then we're gonna start with the next coloring. Guys, Jeremiah's mixing it up, and it's starting to get thicky and slimy. So we're gonna fast forward this video so we can get to the finish line, and then we're gonna start with the second slime for tonight. All right, guys.
Now we're done with the white one, and then we can use the clear one with the magical liquid.
All right, can I see how you do it? So right now he's squeezing the clear glue out.
Mommy, it looks clear like this.
Yep, clear just like the bowl. Go ahead, squeeze it out.
Whoa, make it a bubble. Make it a bubble. All done?
All done. All right, let's put some of that magical liquid inside.
It looks, that magical liquid is clear now. Let me do it.
Mix it well and for a long time. Be careful, you're making a mess.
Okay.
Just for a disclaimer, your table is going to be a mess, just like ours. The slime is a lot of work, and it makes a lot of mess. Right, Jeremiah?
Yeah, I'm going backward line.
You can see it's getting thick, too. Wow, this is so cool.
Mommy, why does it look like bubbles inside it?
That's from the air.
The air makes the bubbles inside the slime?
The air getting stuck inside the slime. Good job.
And do it like this.
That's really smart. Alright guys, we're going to fast forward this part so you can see the ending of the clear slime.
Now we are done with the white one and the clear one. Now we are ready for the glow in the dark.
Awesome!
Yay, this is the last one.
Let's see how you do it.
Just open it like this way. This one is hard. Mommy, this one is so hard.
You gotta squeeze it with all your strength.
Now we poured it in. Now we have to mix it up.
Go ahead. Add the magical liquid.
Add the magical liquid.
On this side. All right. Here you go.
It feels comfortable now. Mommy,
Be careful.
Mommy, it don't feel hard.
You make it a big splash.
Mommy, it don't feel hard anymore. tomato.
All right, guys, we're gonna fast forward this part so you can see the end of the glow slime.
We are all done.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, so which one was your favorite, and tell me why?
This one,
Which one is that?
the glow in the dark.
Why do you like that one?
Because it doesn't make any mess.
It didn't make that much mess. And which one is your least favorite? Clear one?
Yeah, because this one is the stickiest.
It's the stickiest. All right. Let me see you hold the glow in the dark one in your hand.
And thank you for hitting the like button. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.